credit builder card out there that you can get a $200 credit card with. They're not going to check your credit at all. So if you have very bad credit, this is perfect for you. Just filed bankruptcy, your credit is jacked up, this is perfect for you. You're allowed to get 2 of them. They're going to report to the credit bureaus, and they're going to report to them very quickly. So you should see your credit scores go up within a month or less than that. Now this one, I'm going to have that link down below so you guys can check it out. You can get 2 of them, and if your spouse, if they're looking to get their credit score increase, you can't add them as an authorized user, but they can actually go ahead and apply for their own. So I'm going to put that link down below so you guys can check it out. Now let's go ahead and look at that credit builder card together though, you guys. Okay, so here is the credit builder card here. Okay, so here's a credit builder card right here. It's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. It is safe and secure, and it's no credit check at all. So it's not going to be a credit check at all to actually get the card. And you're allowed to get 2 of them. So you apply for it. Application takes 2 minutes. No credit score requirement. You put your $200 deposit down on it, and you start building your credit. Just make sure that you guys keep your balance low on it. I know it's a $200 credit card, and you're like, how low? Like, what do you mean? But I just suggest that you guys don't spend more than like $10 on it, or don't let them report more than $10, or it's going to drop your credit score. But when it come down to any of these credit cards, I know I'm telling you guys, like, keep your balance low. If you ever spend too much money on a credit card, all you have to do is pay it back down, and your credit score is going to go back up. So don't think it's the end of the world if you ever spend like too much money on a credit card. It's not the end of the world. As soon as you pay that credit card back down, your credit score is going to go back up. Okay, so don't be scared about it. Like, you got this. Just pay it down. Like, seriously.